In this video, we're going to talk about how to start a YouTube channel in 2020 without showing your face. Lots of people want to start a YouTube channel, but they just feel nervous about getting in front of the camera. Well, there's plenty of examples of people who've started YouTube channels where they don't show their face and they're just thriving. That shouldn't be an excuse to keep you from starting one. Now, another question people always ask is, isn't it saturated? Isn't it too late to start a YouTube channel? Well, yes, there's lots of YouTube channels out there, but there's also a lot more people joining YouTube and watching YouTube. So absolutely you should start a channel. And there's no better time to start one than in 2020. So we're going to get into that, and I'll show you the first example right here. So if, let's say, you're really good at a piece of software or something like that that you use a lot, well, tutorial videos are a really good one. You can actually just record your screen and show people how to use a software. I'll give you an example. Here's one about Photoshop tutorials. So if you're really good at Photoshop, these people have 1.13 million subscribers, and they're just capturing their screen while they actually work. And here, I'll show you a little example here. So as you can see, so nowhere in this do they show their face, but they're working on projects of other people's faces, and they just show how to use the software. And so all they do is work on the software and record their screen while they're doing it and teach people how to do it. This is what they call evergreen content, because that software is always going to be around. And so, people are going to come to it all the time looking for how to do different things. So you'll never run out of content with an idea like this, because there's so many different things you can do with a software like Photoshop, for example, but it can be any software. And you can see this gets lots of views, and it'll always get views. Anytime anybody new using Photoshop needs to know how to do something, they can come to this channel and learn how. So that's just one example. Now, the next example is crafts. If you know how to do any kind of crafts, this is very simple. All that people do is just put a camera up above them, up high, and they zoom it in, get good lighting on it, and then they do whatever kind of crafts that they're into. And as you can see, they've got 67 million subscribers. 5-minute crafts is a very popular one, and they're doing all kinds of different crafts on it. They don't really need to show their face to do that. Another really good example is food. Any kind of cooking show or cooking channel. Again, you can just put the camera up above and shine down on what you're cooking. Now, this is a little niche within the niche. It's Miniature Food Farm. It's a very popular channel with 1.18 million subscribers. I don't know why people would want to cook miniature food, but it's kind of cute, and it's very, very popular, and you can see they get lots and lots of views. So the next one I'm going to show you is motivational or inspirational videos. They get 1.13 million subscribers. This is a channel called Absolute Motivation, and they do these videos. In this particular case, they're doing it about other people. There's tons of videos you can get from all kinds of different websites like Unsplash and Pexels, and there's lots of free video footage that you can get. There's also paid options that you can use to splice and cut into your video. But they talk about, this one's leveraging kind of famous people, and you can take a little snippet of their stuff as long as you're doing some narrative over it. And as you can see, these get lots of views. Another really good one is meditation. I've actually started with a friend of mine a meditation video channel. We just started. We don't have this many views, but this is a channel called New Meditation Music, and it has 1.86 million subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. They just take videos with different kinds of music for meditation, and they put some beautiful visuals on it, which again they can download from different free sites, and there's paid options as well where you can get all the footage you want. And they just make these videos with the music. Now, some of this music is no copyright music. that you can download for free online, and other the music is paid for options, but they can make their own videos. There's also tons of other options that people can do. For example, there's a channel out there that does nail art, where they're just showing the beautiful things they do with nails. It's like the top 10 lists of different topics, like top 10 laptops, for example, or a top 10 automobiles is another really good one. So, talking about the new technology that's coming out, people are always looking for stuff like that and just showing the actual technology. Another one that's really popular is unboxing. I'm sure you've seen unboxing videos on YouTube where people are getting some new thing and they're unboxing it and showing what to expect in there. Those are really good videos to make because people who want to buy something, especially if it's something new on the market, they're going to look on YouTube to try to find out about it before they make that purchase. Gaming videos is another really good one. Very popular niche where you can actually just record your video game. And the list just goes on and on. There's no reason why you shouldn't be able to make a video for YouTube without your face in it in 2020. So I hope that gives you some ideas, some inspiration. Now, another thing that you might want to look into to make your videos look a little more professional is a site called Videos. I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out. But it gives you all kinds of options to make your videos look a lot more professional. I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Now, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get notifications of future videos. And if you smash the like button, it would really help the channel out. And thanks for watching. Bye.